In this video, I'll show you how much 5,000 KDA will be worth by 2025. KDA is the Kadena network's token, and currently a single token is valued at 65 cents per KDA and promises to be a whole lot more in a couple of years. So far, the journey has been filled with ups and downs and has endured through every bull and bear market since Kadena launched in 2018. This fact prompts us to evaluate the project's price activity history in the crypto market. KDA was primarily sold at 50 cents per KDA during the pre-sale. However, after a year of trading around that price, KDA fell to 39 cents before rising to a new all-time high of 70 cents as Bitcoin started to gain momentum in the middle of that year. Due to selling pressure, the coin fell to 14 cents and the market cooled down and geared up to continue the bullish run. The year 2021 brought spectacular new growth to most cryptocurrencies, and KDA token's first sign of promise was that it reached $1.76 in April 2022. If you'd bought the coin at 14 cents, you'd have had 10x your investment in the project at the time. After that, it set a new all-time high at $2.20. Following a slight dip in the value of Bitcoin in the months that followed, Kadena dropped slightly to $1.45, but that wouldn't stay there for long. November 2021 would be the most significant part of the year for KDA, as its price jumped as high as $28.30 as more people began to see it as an opportunity to rake in some quick profits in the bullish market that appeared to be on its way out at the time. This was the best that Kadena has ever been to any of its investors, as while they hoped for more, the crypto market had other ideas. In 2022, everywhere went red. Bitcoin was trading as low as $16,000, having crashed more than 76% from its all-time high. Kadena could not keep a hold of its levels as there was a market-wide panic and everyone started selling. KDA's price fell to $15 before breaking the support at $9.64 and finally to $5. All these things happened between January and March of 2022. The price rose again back to $10, but it was only momentary. It would trade at around $5 for more than 6 months. Things got much worse in the crypto market, and Kadena's price dipped to $1.38 after another loss in market value as Bitcoin's price movement stalled, resulting in a broad market meltdown. By the end of 2022, we saw it fall slightly below $1 and trading back and forth, even as the uncertainty in the market started to fade away. At the time of recording, the coin is valued at about 60 cents, and predictions are once again high, judging from how its past performance used to be. Many crypto experts are banking on Kadena to return to the $1 price level before we can proceed with its long-term price. How much will KDA be worth in 2025? A couple of factors could influence the price of KDA before 2025, and some depend more on the wider crypto market than on KDA itself. For instance, Kadena's best performances were recorded when the market performed well. Hence, that's also expected to play a part in its price by 2025. Whether it will grow to $5 or $10, it will be good to have the coin move during a market-wide bull run. As things stand at the time of this recording, you'll need at least $300 of spare money to get 5,000 KDA tokens. KDA, with the abundance of new projects they have in stock, will bring in some marvelous value in the next 2 years. The most significant addition to the Kadena network is the Swarms finance project, which will make it easier to build DOAs on the network, which will all require using KDA tokens for transactions. It will also create an avenue for DeFi platforms to colonize the ecosystem and increase the adoption rate. In the next 2 years, your $5,000 KDA could be worth $100,000 because it's enough time for KDA to return to trading above $20 per coin. That's a lot of profit, which would be even more if people adopt KDA as a viable investment. This is not financial advice. Remember that. Be sure to research and invest money you can afford to invest in for the long term. You'll do yourself a favor by doing that. For other promising crypto investment options, check out my video on how much 50,000 CAS will be worth in 2025. See you there.